Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how to create an interactive presentation. Let's get started. Hi everybody, it's me Henry and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to create an interactive presentation. As a speaker, most of the time we face this challenge, which is not easy to keep our audience continuously to focus, to pay attention and keep engaged on our topic. It is pretty hard. And you can see most of the time for the first 20 minutes, the audience, they're energetic, they're so happy, they're ready to listen to you. And right after 20 minutes, what will happen? Most of the time you can see the eyes from this size slowly to this size. They'll start to fall asleep because their energy is started to go down. And some people we can see they start to pick up the phone, play around the phone, and look at the social media because they're too bored, they got nothing to do. So most of the time from the study, this is because the audience, they're too free, they got nothing to do, so that they find something to do, they start to get bored. So the key takeaway is the energy. We need to know how to play around the energy. If the energy is too high to the audience, so your audience is hard to listen to you because everybody is overexcited, they have their own story to talk about, so end up the speaker just stand alone and listen to the audience. So if the energy is too low, this is what usually happens. Pick their phone to play around and sleepy. So as a speaker, you need to know the skill how to play around the energy, which is I'm going to share with you in this video how we're going to play around to control this energy. So first of all, during the starting point of your class or your presentation, you're going to have the ice-breaking activity. Now, when we talk about the icebreaker, I've already have the specific video to talk about the ice-breaking activities, so you may refer to that video after this video. And as a speaker, you gotta make sure your energy is tip-top condition. You are ready because the speaker is the one you're gonna energize your audience. Your audience, they're gonna fall asleep, but the speaker, you can't fall asleep. You need to charge them. You need to wake them up from sleeping. As a speaker, now just imagine if a speaker is low energy, what will happen? So end up the event is going to fail, the presentation is going to fail. So speaker, the energy from the speaker is equally important, not only to have the ice-breaking activity. Now, most of the time people say, I already have the icebreaker, so should be fine. Yeah, that part is just nice, but in the end, the one to carry the energy until the end of the presentation is the speaker. So as a speaker, you need to know how to play around that. Going to the second part, which is the strategy. Now, strategy here is the interaction. You gotta know how to design your activity to interact with the audience, because from the research, the attention for an adult is approximately 20 minutes. So you gotta charge your audience every approximately 20 minutes with the questions, so they want to listen to you. They don't want to get bored. They want to engage in your topic. They want to involve in your topic. If you ask questions, they will answer. So this is the two-way communication. And you can play the game as well. Break your audience into two groups, A, B, or left or right, and you will see in the end which group is going to have the most correct answers. So most of the time, the game, they feel like they are part of the conversation, they are part of the presentation. So most of the time, the audience, they will involve in your topic. Or some speakers, they create the polls. So the audience, they will start to vote, they will involve. So in the end is the interaction. You got to design how to get your audience to involve, to be part of your presentation. Questions, polls, game. Other than that, the speaker is equally important. The quality of the speaker. So here is referring to how the speaker carry himself or herself with the charisma, and the foundation here is referring to the eye contact, body language, hand gesture. So all those things is equally important. And the third tip is the media. Media is equally important for an interactive presentation. Now just imagine the photo. People say photo tells 1,000 words. Video as well. If you have a video, they say is even more, 1,000,000 words. So putting the right photo, right video, the right media at the right time is going to increase the bar. It's going to raise the standard of your presentation. So your audience, they will continue to pay more attention on you as well. Other than photo, other than video, the music is equally important because music can directly influences your emotion as well. If you play the soft music, you feel relaxed, comfortable. And if you play the upbeat music, you feel energetic, you feel the energy. So putting the right music at the right time is equally important as well. And now you can see sometimes people, they want to energize the audience. They will play the upbeat music, so everybody, they will feel energetic, they feel excited. Yes, we are ready. So music is equally important. And when we talk about media, it has a wide range. Not only the music, not only the photo, the video. Now sometimes you can play around with the props. For example, if your presentation, you're talking about the war, you may bring up the toy like the bomb or gun. So the prop, people, they'll feel something different. Hey, you bring something. Instead of just PowerPoint, picture, photo, you bring up the physical item. So people, they will pay more attention on you as well. So those are the 3 tips on how to make your presentation to be more interactive, which is the energy and how you interact with your audience to make them engage in your topic. Other than that, play around with the media. So people, they can enjoy visually, or they can listen audio, or they can touch with the physical items. So if you think all those tips are useful for you, you may just use it in your next presentation to make it even more interactive. And then we should succeed in your next presentation. If you find value and learn something from this video, you gotta smash the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so that you're not gonna miss out any video just like this from this channel. Most importantly, leave your comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'd love to read your comment, reply to your comment, and give me your like. Hope to see you in the next video.